Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable AI obstacle avoidance on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To make the robot avoid obstacles better, which means it will recognize them before it hits them, and it will also recognize the ones that it can't hit, like for example cables, you can go to the settings and go to the reactive obstacle avoidance. Now enable that, and it will intelligently recognize and avoid obstacles that may block its way. You can also enable obstacle photos, so it will automatically capture them, so you'll later see the images of those obstacles, whether they were actually like what was the obstacle, so you can later remove it for the next time. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.